Lapang, lapang. Lapang. Si lapang. Bangat. Sit at a mountain and needs to be. Hi, Adam. Salamat pagi. Salamat. Salamat. Hi, Erdem. Thank you for the concert. How are you? I'm fine. Hi, I'm fine. How about you? How are you? How are you, Erdem? Erdem. How are ya? Hi! You are so sexy. Ang sexy ko mala. Ang sexy ko mala, bab. Wait. Hello, beautiful. Hi, William. Hello, William. Hi, thank you for the thumbs up. How are you guys? How are you guys? Hi. Hello. So the man sitting to be. Ano ba yan? Nagigigil ako! Hi! Hi! Say hi! Say hi, Dada! Hey! Say hi! Say hi! Ay, talaga! Wala na! Ayaw! Takot ang bayan mo! What are you doing? Come on, come on. See the outside in the house. Look. Look. Ashley, look at me. Coffee. Let's coffee now. Right. Sige, sige. Pwede. Aray ko. Ano to? Kachinilas dali. Sige matulog ka. Kachinilas dali. Thank you. Cute. Everyone here. Goodbye. Ba. Ayaw. Hi guys, good morning Sheryl, how are you doing? I'm fine. Ayun na, Didi. Ulit na? Ulit mo na? Sige, bye-bye. Bye. Ulit na daw niya. At sa bawat minuto Hello. You and me. How are you guys? Ano ka? Mabili man sinilas ko dito. Hi Mark! Welcome back Mark. I'm fine, thank you. Welcome back Mark. How are you Mark? Mark. May kulay na. I found the love. Sheryl. Yes. Yes, Mark. What, Mark? What? So beautiful. Thank you, Erdem, at that 7. Thank you. How are you guys? What are you doing, guys? Did you just wake up? Just wake up. Coffee in the morning. Sayang na sayang talaga. Yes, every morning, Cheryl. Yes. Coffee every morning. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you. Love, can't you see I'm alone? Can't you give the love? What's on for you today? Today we have a meeting about orientation yesterday. Today and yes, that's it. And after I wash the clothes. Need to wash clothes. Hand wash. Hand washing. What's the weather like there? Warm weather here, sunny. Warm weather here. There. What's the weather there? Still summer. Summer there. Where are you from? I think Australia. Well, here and will rain all day. Sometimes rainy here, but today sunny. The weather here is sunny now. Sometimes raining all day. Sometimes in another sunny all day. Then raining. We have a two weather. Raining, sunny. Yes, we have good weather. We're on spring na, winter finish. Oh wow, that's great. Winter, spring, autumn, summer. How many? 4. Summer, spring, winter. Wait. Summer, spring, autumn, winter. For weather there. Yes, 4 season. Here, 2 season. Spring, summer, fall, and winter. Okay. Spring, summer, fall. Summer starts Summer starts December. It's weird. Not December, the summer. It may be different there in Australia. Wow. So weird. 1,000 boys selling lantern on the streets. I remember the child giving gifts, exchanging cards. I believe that Christmas truly in our heart. Da-da-da-da-da, invites tomorrow. Pagtigulang-gulo sa aking pag-iisa, napanin ang pag-ibig sa isa't isa. Wait a minute. Summer is December, January, February. Autumn is March, April, May. Winter is June, July, August. Spring is September. Oh, wow, that's great. Beautiful weather there. We need to go in Australia in December. We need to sell ice cream in Australia. Autumn is best season. Wow, that's great. Yeah, autumn. I thought the spring is the best season. At spring, it's autumn pala. Okay lang. Who is that girl? Yang, happy birthday. Min. She's her birthday today. Birthday mo? Happy birthday, Tiang. Happy birthday, Tiang. Who is the girl outside? And she Main. Team, you know, main. Sabi niya, no, maghugasan mo kami sabi na kasi walang tumika. Doon na. Main. Happy birthday, Tia. Pero ka nakatao na eh. Good morning, kain po. Salamat. Kumakain pa ako ng kamote. How old? 9 years old. I know, man. I know, man. Yeah. Piyag na. Doon naman. My father. Have a good day there. Take care. Thank you, Mark. Thank you. She's my niece, my brother's daughter. Tell me who's... She's my niece. That girl. Already having a party for her. I think her mother preparing food. A little party. Just a little, like this. Party. Girl, okay, familiar your hands. Tell me who's that girl.
Oh, mapuro to ano na ako.
Someday I find someone who really loves me. Charot, joke lang yun. So I'm happy to go. So next time you go to Jollibee, take her and me with you. That will be our gift for her from us. Yes, this Sunday. And Maine. I see men. I will. So next time you go to Jollibee, take her and me with you. Thank you. Thank you, my town. Maybe this Sunday. Yes! Yay! Thank you! Oh my god! We're going to Jollibee! Yes! Tell me who's girl, stop! Oh my god, I said. I said maybe. Tell me who's girl. Stop burping on the jogger. Okay, I forgot. Oh my god. Hi, George, Gabriel. See, what? It's Spanish. Kisili iba, dessert, kisili iba. You have better manners than that. Yeah. Oh my god. I need to eat like this. Kailangan kapag kakain daw, kailangan naka naka nakasarado yung bibig. Oh my god. English, George. Mm. Good. Akala mo hindi kita iniibig. Been said that Hi, George. Happy birthday, Tia! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Ayi! I need to I need to end the live now because I need to wash. I need to shower. Jack and William don't talk. Don't. I need to shower. I need to take a bath. Take a bath. I need to attend the meeting today. The meeting is 8:30. What time is it? 8:04. So I have a time. Bye bye. Love you. Love you guys. Thank you so much. Bye. I love you all. Thank you so much. See you later. Bye.